Introducing KOHLER DTV Plus Connect. Get started by simply plugging the Connect module into your DTV Plus system controller. When the blue light comes on and you hear a short beep, the system is ready to connect to your phone. Begin by signing in to the KOHLER Konnect app. Next, pick a name for the home where your connected devices will live. Select the DTV icon, then follow the on-screen instructions to connect your phone to your system. If you do not see a network name that starts with DTV, you will need to reset your system using the DTV Plus user interface. Select Settings, System, and Wi-Fi. Then, select DTV Plus Local to reset the Connect module. A network name that starts with DTV should now be visible on your phone. When prompted, press Yes on your DTV Plus user interface to authorize connection to the app. Finally, complete the connection process by entering the password for your secure 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Once connected, name your system to distinguish it from other DTV Plus systems in your home. DTV Plus Connect is compatible with Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant. To enable voice commands, select the graphic for the smart home system of your choice and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you are connected, you can set up and save your own custom showering experiences. Start by selecting the DTV icon with your system's name underneath. Then press the settings icon in the top right corner. Select Zone 1, then select the outlets that will turn on when you start your shower. If you have additional components assigned to Zone 2, select Zone 2 and select the components that will turn on when you start the shower. If a steam generator is connected, select Steam to set a timer for the generator. You can also customize lighting and audio if these components are connected to your DTV Plus system. When you are finished selecting the components for your experience, return to the Set Temperature screen. Here you can set the water temperatures for Zone 1 and 2. Or you can link the zones and set both at the same temperature. Finally, you can also set the steam temperature. Start the steam by pressing the Start icon. Then, start the shower outlets. Now press the plus icon in the top right corner to name and save your custom experience. You can access and control your experiences directly from the KOHLER Konnect app. Or you can use voice commands to control your DTV Plus system. For a complete list of voice commands and more information about DTV Plus Connect, visit kohler.com/DTV Plus Connect.